Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by here at thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the financial sector here, the XLF. I'm going to go over exactly what we're kind of seeing here in the market. Okay, so first and foremost, what I want to point out is that we had a double false move. Okay, if you've been watching the videos that I do for our specific trade setups, I focus a lot on the false breakdown or false breakout. Okay, so when you have a false breakout, it looks like this. Oops. Looks like this. Okay, and you can see there's that resistance right there, right there, right there. Clear, very clear level of resistance. Okay, that's the first step for a false breakdown or breakout. Okay. So right here, we have that clear resistance level that it kept on hitting over and over and over again, okay? Over and over and over again, and then we broke over that resistance level, okay? What should happen next? Well, what should happen next is we should maybe retrace and then head higher from there. You want those breakouts to hold over resistance levels. So it becomes a false breakout when it breaks back under this level, and you can see a pretty big move in that direction. Okay, so that's what a false breakout looks like. Here we have a false breakdown setup right here. Okay, here's that clearly defined resistance level. You can see it bounced from it many times. Here we go, boom, 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 broke below it right here, only to break right back over it, making this a false breakdown. But if you look, we didn't really go far. Okay, we went a little bit higher, came down, went a little bit higher, but now we're back out of that range. Okay, these double false moves are even more powerful than just these single false moves. So double false move, that is bearish. I'm going to delete these lines right here, and want to point out we could get a little bounce where we're currently at, and that's because we have this channel here that we've been in here for a while. Here's the bottom end of the channel, the top end of that channel, right around here. Okay, and you can see it's been getting bounces against this lower end of that channel, but notice, it is a downward channel. Okay, so eventually the lows get broken. Eventually we make lower lows, okay? And these channels, I will tell you another thing, these channels, they don't last forever. Sometimes, if the move gets accelerated enough, we just, waterfall down outside of the channel, okay? So that's something to kind of look for as well. So, again, short-term bounce possible here for XLF, but I do see this heading lower, and I'll show you why if we look at the weekly chart, and we'll go back about 4 years. Okay, 4 years of action. Remove my face out of the way. All right, so 4 years of action. What we have here is trend line. Okay, so we've got this trend line that started back here, and as you can see, we broke that trend line just recently. Notice how started here, bounces here, another quick bounce right there. All right, and notice how we're breaking that trend line. We broke it last week, and this week is confirming that break. Okay, so lower prices are likely for XLF. Okay, and that's and now I'm going to back it up even more to 10 years of action on XLF and point out, I'm going to move my face out of the way again, it's getting in the way. I want to point out, so you can see everything, so I want to point out this other major trend line. This is still the weekly chart, but now we're looking at 10 years of action, okay, 10 years. This is all the way back in 2009. This is when the market bottomed back here from the financial crisis, okay. So that was the low right there, and you can see we're getting hit there, boom, boom, and then again, right there, And you can see that that trend line, I mean, you could even lower it a little bit too. Right about there. So as you can see, it started there, bounce there, bounce, bounce, bounce. Huge, huge level here, guys. Huge level. And we've got all this sideways trading right around here. It's right around 19 bucks, 20 bucks on XLF, okay? So that lines up perfectly with that trend line, all right? But this is still a ways down to go, okay? It's a ways down to go until we reach this level. And notice, you know, from the 10 years, you know, even if we headed lower, we'd still be in a major uptrend here for XLF, okay? That's something you got to remember. So these declines doesn't mean that it's the end of the world. It just means that we got to reset, come back down to support, and then we'll get a bounce once we reach there. But we've broken our near-term supports. We've been in a downtrend for the last year, and it's getting even worse. We're making new 52-week lows. You know, that's bearish behavior. So again, short-term bounce possible, but overall I see XLF heading lower, and this is just simple stuff that anyone can do, and I hope this video helped you out. So now I'd like to invite you to join our premium membership community here. And you know, if you're looking to actually get results in the market on a consistent basis, and if you're struggling right now to do that, then you need to make a change, okay? Right now is a very difficult time in the market to make money if you don't know what you're doing. I've personally been doing this for about a decade now. I've seen up markets, I've seen down markets, I've seen sideways markets, and I know how to profit in all of them. And that's what you're getting when you sign up and you join our premium membership community, is you're getting access to me, and you're getting access to every single trade that I take. We are the #1 options trading service on the planet. Okay, so when you sign up today, and this is the annual membership that we have a special on right now. It's the lowest price that we've ever offered, the annual membership, and you need to sign up for that today. So what you get when you sign up is you're getting real-time access to every trade I make. I sent out an alert in real time via text message. So you can trade from anywhere, at home, the office, at school. It doesn't matter. You're going to be able to participate in these trades. And here's just a few examples of some winning trades that we recently took. And if you were a member at that time, you would have been able to participate in those trades. The other thing too, this is a big thing that separates us from all the other services out there, because trust me, I know there are so many options for you out there for trading services, and we are one of the best out there, and that's because of A, we get results, and B, we're completely 100% transparent with all of our members about all of our trades. And that is the real-time portfolio tracker. It's a spreadsheet. It's a live spreadsheet. All of our trades, past and present, go on this spreadsheet, and you can see, are we making money? Are we losing money? Hint, we are making money, especially right now. Even in these turbulent times, we are positive. All right? So, again, you're getting instant access to that real-time portfolio tracker. All of our trades you're getting access to, as well as the open trades that we have open as well. So then you're getting the professional trading watch list. You're getting the exclusive member videos. Every alert that we send out, we don't just send out an alert. We're sending out a member video, an exclusive private member video for every single trade that we take. So you're learning in the process. We explain why the trade is taking place, what strategy we're using for this trade, why the entry is where it is, why the stop loss is where it is, why the profit target is where it is, all right? And that's what you get in these member videos. You get to learn in the process with a hands-on learning experience. And another opportunity to grow and get better is you're getting access to our full education library. So if you're newer to options, this is great for you, or you want to learn our strategy that we use to make these insane profits, this is going to be the section for you. All right, guys, so that's it. Once you get all that stuff, you're going to click here to sign up and join us. Again, it's our lowest price ever for the annual membership. You can sign up for the for the monthly or the quarterly membership, but this annual membership is our most discounted offer, and we're having a special offer on it right now. So I hope to see you in there, and I hope that I can help you become a better trader.